Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks Commerce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Commerce website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the required field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Next, confirm your password by entering it again in the appropriate field. Click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, select the Get Started button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Check your inbox for an email from QuickBooks Commerce. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the QuickBooks Commerce login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login. You will be prompted to fill in additional information about your business. Provide your business name, address, and other relevant details. Choose your business type from the drop-down menu. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will then set up your inventory preferences. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your settings. Finally, click Finish Setup to complete your registration. You are now ready to start using QuickBooks Commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.